Euro against US dollar this week has rise in value, and we can see how the price has continued to rise. The price in the previous week has closed with this bullish candle, where the price on a Monday continued to rise in value, making a bullish breakout, and then on a Friday making a bullish breakout, and then on a Monday price returned all the way back down to the first support level and continued to rise in value. The price stopped just around this confluence of resistance, which was explained in the previous week analysis. I have mentioned that this price level, which is 1.0946, has been reached because of this stronger resistance, and then the price returned all the way back down, currently stopped at the support level at 1.08846. A week has closed as a bullish in the previous week as a bullish breakout, and currently this week has closed as indecision candle, where the price did not return all the way back below this support level 1.08846. A monthly time frame is still open. We can see that we have more than a week until this month close, so everything's still open. I will wait until the next week close to make any kind of conclusions, but currently what I can see, it is trying to make high price levels and reaching the next resistance level, which was also around this one area, which was explained. And then we can see the next one where the price will stop is around 1.09860. Now for the monthly time frame, we can see everything still looks bullish, at least for me for now, and I am expecting that the price will continue to rise in value. But for much more conclusions, I will go on the lower time frames. But you can see that this is here a confluence of resistance, where we have here a horizontal resistance level, and we have a trend line which is acting as a resistance for the price, which will prevent the price from reaching high price levels, and we could expect a bounce from this area where the sellers are waiting. Just in the previous examples, we can see every time when the price reaches this resistance level, the price returns all the way back down. Now the weekly time frame shows us currently indecision candle. Usually what this means, this is after the bullish breakout, and this also indecision candle, it is suggesting further rise in value, continuing in the same direction. But the daily time frame shows us also one kind of support level has been reached, and we'll see will this support hold on the Monday. If the price goes down and closes below this area, which is the demand zone, the price will try to move even more down, reaching around here, where is the next support level. First of all, this support level is the first level between these price levels. Here from here, we can see that from here to here. And then the next one will be just below that, where we can see that the price had in past issues about a confluence between the support and the resistance levels. Now these are very important. This is very important level, a very important support level, which will need to hold in order to continue to rise in value. And we can see the next level where the price will need to make a breakout to the upside is this one here, which is around 1.09468, where the price has reached this price level this week, and it is a strong resistance level, we can see, because of this trend line. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.